Pakistan's Supreme Court has resumed hearings on petitions challenging the 26th Constitutional Amendment, a law that has triggered intense debate over the independence of the judiciary and the limits of parliamentary power. The 26th Amendment was passed in October last year during a late-night parliamentary session. The Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI) claimed that several of its lawmakers were coerced into supporting the bill, while the Balochistan National Party Mangal alleged that its members were pressured as well. The legislation reshaped the balance of power between the judiciary and parliament. It curtailed the Supreme Court's suo motu powers, set a fixed 3-year term for the Chief Justice, and handed the authority of appointing the Chief Justice to a special parliamentary committee chosen from among the 3 most senior judges. It also paved the way for the creation of a constitutional bench, which is now hearing the very petitions challenging its legality. An 8-member bench, headed by Justice Aminuddin Khan, heard arguments from senior lawyer Muhammad Akram Sheikh and retired Lahore High Court Judge Justice Syed Shabbar Raza Rizvi. Sheikh, a former president of the Supreme Court Bar Association, argued that the amendment destroys the very structure of the constitution. He said even military dictators had never struck such a blow to judicial independence. Sheikh insisted the case should be heard by a full court of all 24 Supreme Court judges, not the constitutional bench, which, he argued, was itself created under the disputed amendment and therefore conflicted. However, Justice Muhammad Ali Mazhar observed that the Constitution clearly states that no bench other than the Constitutional Bench can hear constitutional matters. He questioned whether including all judges would not also create a conflict of interest. The judges repeatedly pressed Sheikh and Rizvi on one central issue: if not this bench, then who has the authority to strike down the amendment? The petitioners claim the amendment was passed improperly and undermines judicial independence, a cornerstone of Pakistan's constitutional framework. They have asked the court to strike it down entirely, or at least remove provisions that weaken the judiciary's autonomy. The case has become a defining test of separation of powers in Pakistan's democracy, with comparisons being drawn to India's 2015 decision to strike down a similar amendment curbing judicial independence. For now, the Constitutional Bench will first decide whether it has the jurisdiction to hear the case before ruling on the amendment itself. The hearing will resume tomorrow morning at 11:30 a.m., with proceedings continuing to be live-streamed on the Supreme Court's YouTube channel.